Hi friends, today I am with a bunch of new TWS. These are recently launched by Fastrack and I will definitely like to show you what are the box content, how is the performance, what are the features what we are getting with the TWS. So keep watching the video to know about these TWS. Fastrack recently launched its new TWS series, which is named as FPods, and these are coming in three models: FS100, FX100, and FZ100. In this video, we are going to talk about FZ100. Now, what are the features? What it is offering? I will definitely love to show you. The price written on the box is 5,000, which is not the final price of the device. Now, coming to the FPods, these earpods are coming with the Bluetooth 5.3 version support. So, they are with the latest Bluetooth version. And the FZ100 is the topmost model. I will definitely tell you all the price of the three products, but before that, we will see what are the box content. In the box, you are also getting the charging cable which supports Type-C charging. It comes with the three set of ear tips which include small, medium and large. If you see the LED indicator, if left and right are on, it means they are charging. If it is off, it means it is not charging. If the middle one is blinking blue color, it means it is charging. If it is not blinking, it means it is completely charged. We get a user guide manual. I will definitely recommend you guys to check it. It will tell you what are the components, overview, what are the features, how to do the setup, even reset, what are the functions of the each TWS left and right, even if you are using individual, how you can access the voice assistant and gaming mode, even few more features, LED indication, and also product specification. These all things will be written. It includes the do's and don'ts, including the warranty conditions. Even in the product specification, you can see that each TWS comes with the 40 mAh battery and the charging case comes with the 480 mAh battery. So I will definitely recommend you guys to have a look to the user guide because it has too much of details and definitely you can know much more about your Fastrack FPods FZ100. Now coming to the Bluetooth, it comes with the Bluetooth version 5.3 and the range of that is 10 meters. Now one of the highlight feature what FZ100 comes with, it comes with 3C Nitro Fast technology which gives you 10 minutes of charge and it can run up to 200 minutes of playback. Overall the TWS, the company guarantees it can run up to 50 hours, which is definitely a huge. Here you can see the charging indicators. If the LEDs are on, it means currently it is charging. If the LEDs are off, then it means left and right are already charged. You can charge with a Type-C cable, and also if the middle one is blinking blue color, it means currently it is charging, and the middle one is fully charged, then it will not blink, it will stay in the blue color. The pairing is very easy. Just go in the Bluetooth section, tap on your earpods and you can see you can directly go and connect. In the settings you have a HD calling feature. I will definitely recommend you guys to switch it on to get a better audio quality. So now let's check out few features. If you tap twice, it will play and pause. So this is the first function. It works both on the left and the right side. So just do the double tapping, it will play and pause. If you want to increase the volume, you do have to tap on the right button, single tap. If you want to decrease the volume, you just have to tap on the left button. So increase and decrease can be done with the single tap on the left and the right button. It is very easy. And even if you want to go to the previous track, you have to press and hold the left button. And if you want to go to the next track, you have to press and hold to the right button for 2 seconds. Now if you want to call and answer, you just have to do the double tap on left and right button either. If you want to hang up the call, you just have to do the double tap during the call. It can be done on both left and right. If you want to trigger the voice assistant, you do have to tap it thrice. Currently, we are working with the Android smartphone, so you can see it is working with the Google Voice Assistant. But if you are on an iPhone, it will work with the Siri. So this is how all the functions work. All the functions can be easily seen and can be practiced through the user manual, which is given with the box. I will definitely recommend you not to throw that and have a look and get a little bit practice on how to use that. Now coming on one more thing which the brand is focused, it is the gaming mode. It comes with the low latency which is 40 ms. We have tried and played the game. It works flawlessly. It has some extra bass because it comes with the 10 driver. It also has the ENC, which means environmental noise cancellation. So overall, if you want to have the gaming mode on, you have to tap 4 times on either left or right button. It works flawlessly. Now just recapping all the features, it comes with the Bluetooth version 5.3. It has a playtime of 50 hours. Even the 10 minutes of quick charge can run up to 200 minutes of playback. It comes with the quad mic with ENC support, which is environmental noise cancellation. It has a 10 extra bass driver. It also has a low latency of 40 ms, which gives you excellent gaming audio quality, and it has a 3C nitro fast technology for fast charging. It also can trigger with the voice assistant. So these are the few features what you are getting with these FZ100. Now coming to the price, the Fastrack FPods FZ100 is priced for 1595 and it will be exclusive on Flipkart. So this is all about the Fastrack FPods FZ100. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.